Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this smartphone. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit. Now click on sound and vibration and tap on vibrate for calls. From here you can select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with the last one. Now tap on the back button, scroll down, and over here you can click on shortcut to prevent ringing and set up vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to charging sound and vibration to enable or disable this option. Lastly, you can switch on or off touch vibrations by tapping on the switcher next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!